So once you plant, I hope your phone is on recording now, sir. Once you plant, if you plant your maize, after clearing your land, you clear your land. After clearing the land, you plant your maize at a distance of 15 centimeters. If it is 1 meter apart, you plant at the distance of 20 centimeters. That shows that from here now to here, that's 20 centimeters. But from here to here is 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters. And that one should be here. 15 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 15 centimeters, all like that. Why are you planting it like that? It's because you want to achieve maximum population. Did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Because what you need, the end product is what you need. You want to, according to our definition, you want to make profit. Now, after planting, you allow your maize to continue to grow. It will continue to grow. After 3 weeks, the weed will have started coming out. Abi?
Yes, sir.
When it starts coming out, there is a chemical you will need to apply to control the weed. Once you apply that chemical, tó máa fi gbó, tágbàdo máa fi gbó, tẹ́ máa fi tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí gbin ìmí, you will not need to weed anything.
Wow.
So the chemical is selective herbicide for maize. It is selective in the sense that it will kill all weeds. It will regard everything as a weed, but it will regard maize as the only plant that is there. So once you do that, and it's a systemic herbicide. There are 2 things that the chemical will do. It will kill all the weeds that are just coming up. Apa gbogbo ẹ̀. Even gbogbo tó ti ga tó lè apa. And it will in turn seal the soil, preventing it from growing weed again.
Oh, wow.
So all the seed that is inside the soil, it will kill it, then seal the soil. So that is that about your weed control. And why you maintain this distance is because, one, there will be no weed competition, either for air, for nutrients, or for water, or for anything. Then number 2 is that after 2 weeks of planting, you apply your first dose of fertilizer. You apply 15-15, NPK 15-15, at the rate of 5 grams per plant. 5 grams per plant.
Sample.
How do you measure that? How do you measure your 5 grams? Can somebody give me this Coke cover or something like that? Thank you. This one is 10 grams. This is 10 grams. But why pé onítorí Coke yẹn tá máa ń ṣí yẹn ni, that one is 5 grams. Onírin is 5 grams. This one is 10 grams. So what you do is that you apply 5 grams to a plant. So you understand now. So if you are using this one, please, let's come down. What you do, you make a punch here. You make a punch here. So you take 1 full fertilizer, full like this. You apply half here. That's 5 grams. 5 grams. That's how you are going to apply it to all like that. Your plant need fertilizer to grow. It need nutrients to grow. So, every my queen by me about gbin àgbàdo, and àgbàdo ni kò ṣe dáadáa, o gbọ́mọ dáadáa, o ṣe nǹkan kan. No. We will still go to that mess because I pay little attention to that one. But the other one, I pay attention to like one day. I don't even have time for it because of our engagement. 2 weeks after planting, you apply your fertilizer.
You said 3 weeks for the chemical.
For the chemical.
So we can apply fertilizer before.
Even on a normal condition, when you are planting, you apply your fertilizer.
When you are planting.
When you are planting, yes, if you are planting today, you can apply it today, but there won't be time to do that. I don't mean it's a commercial farming where we use tractor to plant. There is a, if I use a combined planter, it will plant and apply fertilizer immediately. As it's planting, as it's dropping the seed, it's applying fertilizer. Excuse me.
Yes.
How do you achieve this, your straight line? You use rope to plant. You use rope to plant. Marked rope, you use it to plant. You use this type of rope. Sorry. Rope planting. Already by the time you start planting, on a straight line. So if you want to plant, there are two ways you can plant. You can mark it, but you may not need to mark it so that you can cut. The easiest way to plant is to mark it. That will have just punch it, go, put it, go, pim, 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 pim. But if you don't have the plant, you take your measurement. We are still talking about fertilizer application. Am I right?
Yes.
6 weeks after you plant, you apply the second dose of fertilizer.
The same NPK.
The same NPK 15. That time it will be 1.5 months. 2 weeks later, you apply top dressing of urea. That one is urea. That's 4600 urea. So that's after 8 weeks. By that time, that's what will make larger commonwealth, ko tobi, ko fruit, dada. Share you understand me now. Now you now discover that all these activities will just take about 2 months plus. Maize is no more than like this maize now. This one is 84 days to maturity. That's this maize. So we plant. So in the next 2 weeks now, we will start harvesting. If you want it to. Now you will not discover that every maize crop, every maize stand will give you one maize.
At least.
At least one. Each of them will give you one maize. You know how much they are selling maize now?
This one brought out 2.
Yes, it is possible. It depends on the direct. That's why I say at least it will give you one maize crop. And one maize crop, how much did they sell one maize now?
300, 250.
Let's say 200.
Oh, that is more than 2500.
You know, the farm gate price is different from that.
Okay.
At least you will sell it for minimum, no matter how worse it is. You sell it for 100 naira. That's farm gate price. That's 100 naira. That's minimum. Now, if you look at a line of 500, and you are having, you are selling it for 100 naira. How much is that?
50,000.
50,000.
That's one line. Yeah, it's feasible here.
Maybe that in one plot.
Yes, on one plot, when you look at it, one plot will give you 18 lines by 36. 18 lines by 36. Now, if you now look at the line now, I'm coming, sir. If you now look at the line,
153.
in 1 feet, in one, no, 1 meter is 100. That's 100 what?
100
Huh? That's 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter divided by 15. That will give you between. No, are we doing the right calculation?
70.
No, it's not 100.
It's 100 meter.
It's not 100 meter. No. It's not 100 centimeter. 100
feet. 100 feet.
Okay, 100 feet. Abi?
100
feet. Say 1 square meter.
Yes.
One plot.
No, 1 square meter. I'm talking about 1
1
square meter.
meter is
Square meter of 1 plot is
3 feet.
3 feet.
3
Okay, 3.3 feet.
goes by square.
3.3 feet. 3.3 feet. And 1 feet will give you 2 maize. That is multiplied by 2. Okay, we are correct. That is 6.6. 6.6 now multiplied by 36. That is 237 stands multiplied by 18.
80,
1 plot will give you 4,276.
Let's say 4,000.
Yeah, let's say 4,000. And if you are looking at it, 4,000 times 100 naira.
400,000.
That's 400,000.
400,000.
One plot.
1 plot.
Yes.
Your expenses.
Is mine
Look
on?
at it. Your expenses. Your first application. Your first. You can't spend 100. Okay, let's say you are your planting materials. One sachet of maize of champion. Champion 1 sachet you will plant. That's 3,005. We take care of about 2 plots. That's 3,005.
That's 1,750.
Then striker, you use 1 bottle of striker. That's 6,000.
So that's striker. Is he herbicide
It's
or?
herbicide.
Selective.
Yes, selective. Then you will also use 2 bags of fertilizer. That's 1 bag of NPK and 1
One
bag
bag of urea.
of urea. You will still have a leftover. Let's assume that per plot. You can't finish that per plot. You can't finish it. You can't finish. That's 1 bag. You will have the remaining one there. Then you have you need to spray the maize 2 times. You spray it with caterpillar force or alacat to control pests, particularly this insect borne plants. So with that, you will discover that taban seoko not 200,000 because we spray it. So tí bá wá wò ẹ rí mọ̀ pé if you are planting your maize, you are having 400,000 naira per plot, and you spend 200,000 naira with your fertilizer, seed material, you prepare the land, all those things. If you are making a profit of 100,000, is that not a good business?
Within 3 months.
Within 3
3
months. So now look at it. You go and take a job of near one Australian primary school. How much will they pay you?
15,000.
30,000. And in a month.
That's 60,000. 2 months.
2 months, 60,000. 3 months.
Ó dẹ̀ ṣaláì wá lójoojúmọ́.
O de gbúdọ̀ máa ṣàlàyé wa. Wàá dẹ̀ ké látàárọ̀ to di alẹ́.
Wá ti fi òtítọ́.
Eléyìí báyìí tó bá ti plant yẹ. In fact, it will give you room to go and do another thing. Because you are not coming here to come and weed. You are not coming here. Once you apply your fertilizer, àwọn ọjọ́ tó níṣẹ́, ọjọ́ fertilizer application, ọjọ́ spraying, lẹ́yìn ẹ̀, you are good to go. You are good to go. Let's go up there.
Sir, question.
Yeah, sir.
Show me the car.
You don't need to make ridges. You don't need. Just clear your land. Clear it. Clear it clean. Plant your maize. That's all.
That's all.
You don't need to make ridges at all. At all. Because torí pé a ti gbin tomato síbí lọ́dún yìí lẹ ṣe lórí ridges yìí. If not, you wouldn't have said it there on the ridges. That's it.
Sir, question.
Yes, sir.
The spraying. What is the interval of the spraying? One. And the measurement of the
Yes.
chemical
For
for spraying.
there's no interval for spraying. Once you started noticing, that's why I say let's go to that farm. Once you start noticing that caterpillar, what if immediately go and spray. Once you spray, it is okay. So I spray by how to pound. Only get back on it, only get back me. Let me spray. What to pound and like that. When we notice them, you see now, our numbers in the way. Once started to okay, you have started coming. You just give them their food, and they will all die. So that is it. Then the dosage. If you are using caterpillar first, you take 2 teaspoons. Tell him if you get. Can you tell me any spoon to take? Adult spoon now. 2 tablespoons. 2 of it. You dissolve it in water. You put it into 15 liters pump. That's all. 2 spoons. But better meal, if you cannot get 2 spoons, you can also get 50 mil. Let's say 50 mil now.
That spoon is okay.
That spoon is okay. You understand me now? Once about if it's then when you are spraying, I will tell you how to spray when you get to that. When we get to that place. Yes, a question.
Question, sir. You show that bed is not stopping you.
Bed.
Yes. What are the secrets? Because you can see the plant now. Most of what you planted, they grow out.
Yeah.
So you're Jeba. So
yes. There are areas where we have that problem. But there is a way we deal with them when we get to that place. Hope we see it. We deal with them very well. One watch you born, we tackle them. You come, okay,